Hi, my name is Wanda, and I am from Huntington here in the area by way of Maryland. I moved here in September, the beginning of September of 2023, and I was introduced to M.E.E.T Ministry Health Program by a very good friend of mine, more like a sister actually. I had cancer in 2020. I underwent the surgery. They removed several things, which caused my health to be very unbalanced. And I was talking to Diana about it, and she was telling me about how I needed to come to M.E.E.T Ministry, which I couldn't even afford it at that time. Eventually, I moved here. And now, after canceling like 3 times of coming to this program because it's 18 days, I finally made it here, and I have no regrets whatsoever. They've taught me how, I thought I was in pretty much good health, but they taught me how to really look at my health in a different way, how every part of your body functions with your mind and your spirit, and how all of that has to be balanced with trusting in God. And that's what I learned more to do while I've been here. Types of therapies, I've heard about them, but I'd not actually been through them. Colonics, I'd had colonics, but not like this, where they actually clean out your colon completely. And you will be surprised at what you have in your colon that you think you're healthy, you think you're walking around good, everything is okay. Everything was not okay from what I could see. So they took me through a series of colonics. I did fomentations, which is hot and cold packs to my stomach and my back. I also did infrared therapy. I did a salts bath or a sitz bath. I did a lot of therapies, and my health worker, she was amazing. And she was phenomenal and very patient. Everyone is very patient with you when you're here. I was very nervous about being here, but after about halfway through the first week, I became more relaxed. I thank the Lord that I actually came through this. They give you a program that you could continue on after you go home. And I plan to continue on that program. I've learned to walk more. I think I walk more today than I have since I've been down here, because the weather was not conducive for being outside. Everything has been a blessing. Looking back, the people support you in any way. They don't rush you. They work with you according to how you are and where your physical abilities lie, and you increase by that. So I just want to encourage everyone, if you have any kind of malady whatsoever, if you want to come closer to God, this is the place to be. M.E.E.T Ministry is the place to be to get everything done. I came here, I did the full 18 days, and I've not regretted a moment of it, not one moment. And there's nothing like this program. And they tailor it according to what your disease process is or what you tell them you'd like to do. So my recommendation to anyone, come see for yourself, see how it is, and be blessed.